Hi, I'm John from Total Equipment Training, and welcome today to our Tailgate Talk. Today we're going to talk about your CCO mobile crane operator written exam preparation that we have available for you on our website, totalequipmenttraining.com. We have our complete operator's handbook that goes through the various types of cranes and all of the information that you need to be successful and pass to get your license to operate a mobile crane. We have this manual that gives all of the information, and it's a lot of pages, and it goes really in depth to everything there is to operate a mobile crane on like a lattice boom crane versus a hydraulic cranes versus, are you using outriggers? Is it a crawler track crane? It goes through all of those different types, and then all of the load calculations, the different types of wire rope that are used, how to inspect those, all of the OSHA regulations regarding crane operation. This handbook is really good. It is the best that you're going to find out there, 100%. We also have a practice test available, and this really, you think you've operated a crane maybe before or have experience with a crane, and you read the material, you think you have it down. When you go to take the test, sometimes it gets confusing. These practice questions are really the best out there to prepare you to pass your operator's test. You can get them on our website. It is the best value out there. You can get for basically under $100. You can get the participant's guide and a specialty, so that when you go to take your test, you will pass it 100%. So be safe and be up to date.